Now, you guys already know that I love to bring you different ways that you would make money. And if there's an opportunity to really earn free money, I'll definitely bring it to your doorstep. And this exactly is an opportunity I saw with Coinex. And here you stand a chance to win 100 USDT. Now, scrolling up on Twitter, you basically see here, this is the $100 newbie bonus. And you even have the chance to get some more earnings where you refer a friend and you get 40% of their reward. Now, this particular offer from Coinex lasts from the 3rd of July to the 31st. And I'm like, you are still very early. You have the chance to jump on this one. Now, let's go over to the page and let's get started and even see what is involved. What do I even have to do in order to get this 100 USD for myself with this Coinex campaign? Coinex has actually been doing a lot of cool stuff lately, and I must confess that I have actually been impressed, especially with their new P2P feature. And this I actually did a video around where you get to, switch up your crypto assets for fiat by, doing P2P with other individuals on the platform. And I also shared a couple of ways you can even get to make as much as, let's say, 100K to 500K every single day for yourself. That video is on here. Yeah, on my second channel, the crypto channel. And I want to go ahead and get to watch that video as well. But then let's go through this particular campaign and I'll show you how you can actually get this 100 USDT offer right on here. Now, the very first thing here, it says here, the duration is from the 3rd of July to the 31st. And there are a couple of rules and you want to read through those rules. But let's scroll down and just walk through what is in this. Now, the very first one here, you want to complete the deposit to claim 10 USDT. So once you're making a deposit, you're going to be claiming 10 USDT. You want to proceed to do spot trading. And with your spot trading here, you get to also claim another 30 USDT. Now, the next one here is completing futures trading. And on completing futures trading, you get 60 USDT back. Now, 60 plus 30 plus 10, that is 100 USDT, which you're going to be getting. And I believe most probably that Coinex want you to touch base on all of the major features they have here on their trading platform. And that's actually, very good. Now, for those of us who are beginners on here, Coinex has actually a couple of tutorials that would help you to get started. Depositing, buy crypto, spot trading, account tutorial, futures trading, swap tutorial and all. And a couple of other newbie tips that you basically would be needed in order to get started with this on here. Okay, I'll be sharing with you guys a couple of other insights around Coinex and a couple of other offers that most probably you would basically want to jump on to make a couple of cash. I do more of this on my crypto channel, and you also want to see that right here. And as well, use the link in the description to join us on Telegram, the crypto Telegram community. Here you're going to be getting access to a couple of airdrops, a couple of trading signals, and more crypto insights that will actually fetch you cash in this very space. So thanks so much, guys. Go ahead and subscribe, share this video, drop a comment if you have questions, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.